In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a void check online from Bank of America. This can be incredibly useful when setting up direct deposits, authorizing payments, or even just having a backup for your records. Let's dive straight into the process to make it as seamless as possible for you. First things first, to access your voided check, you'll need to log into your Bank of America online account. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection, preferably at home, to safeguard your personal information. Head to the Bank of America website and enter your login credentials. If you haven't already, it's a good practice to activate two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate and select the bank account that you wish to get the voided check for. On your account dashboard, you should see a list of your accounts. Click on the specific account to which you want the void check to be linked. This ensures that all the correct details are associated with the check, including your account and routing numbers. With your account selected, you'll need to navigate to the More Services section. Depending on whether you are using the mobile app or the website, this might be listed under a different label, but look for options like Account Services or Additional Services. This section includes a range of banking tools and features that you can access. Now, within the More Services area, look for the option to set up a direct deposit. The direct deposit setup process will guide you through the information necessary to generate your voided check. It's important to note that while you're setting this up, the information you provide should be accurate and up to date to prevent any issues with your transactions. Next, you'll be prompted to fill in the percentage of your pay that you want to be deposited into this account. Even if you're not planning on setting up a direct deposit immediately, entering this information helps to populate your voided check with accurate account details. You can always adjust or monitor these details later according to your need. After that, you will need to enter the name of your employer or the issuer. This is an essential step if you're planning to use this document for direct deposit purposes. Make sure you have the correct and complete name as it appears in your employment or issuer records. Finally, after ensuring all your details are correct, you can proceed to download the PDF version of your voided check. This PDF can be saved directly to your device or even printed if a physical copy is needed. Keep this document stored securely in a password-protected folder or drive as it contains sensitive banking information. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to generate a void check with Bank of America's online platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you.